100 story ideas, plus how to make them your own. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something game-changing for you, especially if you're preparing for a narrative essay exam. I'm going to give you 100 story ideas, perfect for high marks, and then show you exactly how to make them your own. That way, you won't just copy a story, you'll create something original, exciting, and unforgettable. Let's jump straight in. 10 story ideas with a twist ending. 1. The final exam cheat. The narrator finds secret exam answers hidden under their desk, but after using them, they realize the answers were planted to catch cheaters. 2. The ghostly stranger. A kind stranger helps the narrator fix a broken car late at night. The next day, they find out the man died 5 years ago at that same spot. 3. The perfect prank. The narrator spends weeks planning the ultimate prank on their best friend, only to find out their friend was planning an even bigger prank on them. 4. The lost dog. After searching for a lost dog all day, the narrator tearfully returns home, only to find the dog waiting at the door, having somehow gotten home first. 5. The mysterious letter. The narrator receives an anonymous love letter, and after a wild hunt to find the sender, realizes it was accidentally meant for someone else. 6. The missing phone. After losing their phone at a party, the narrator tracks it using GPS to a strange house, only to discover it's a friend's elaborate birthday surprise. 7. The lottery ticket. The narrator finds a winning lottery ticket on the street, but decides to track down the real owner. After days of searching, the owner insists they keep the prize. 8. The detention hero. The narrator gets detention for a minor mistake and ends up saving someone's life during that hour, realizing that detention wasn't bad luck but fate. Number 9. The cursed bracelet. The narrator buys a cheap bracelet at a market, and weird bad things start happening. When they finally throw it away, things still get worse because it wasn't the bracelet but their own guilt causing the chaos. 10. The rescue that wasn't needed. The narrator tries to save a child they think is drowning, only to realize the child is a professional swimmer training for a competition. 10 story ideas with a cliffhanger ending. 1. The vanishing train. The narrator boards a mysterious midnight train, and the story ends as the train vanishes into a tunnel that no one else can find. 2. The last call. The narrator gets a phone call warning them not to go outside. Curious, they step out, and the call goes dead. 3. The shattered mirror. After accidentally breaking a mirror at an abandoned house, the narrator sees something move in the broken reflection. Then the screen fades to black. 4. The escape room. In an escape room game, the narrator solves the final puzzle, but a hidden door creaks open to reveal complete darkness. 5. The suspicious package. The narrator receives a ticking package on their doorstep. They call their best friend over, and as they open it, the story ends. 6. The shadow in the woods. On a camping trip, the narrator hears footsteps outside their tent. When they unzip the tent to check, it's not an animal. 7. The stranger at the window. Late at night, the narrator sees a figure watching from the window. When they look again, the figure is inside the house. 8. The forgotten birthday. The narrator thinks everyone forgot their birthday. As they sit alone, the doorbell rings, and they open the door to a complete stranger. 9. The secret door. While cleaning the attic, the narrator finds a tiny hidden door. They open it, and the story ends. The flight delay. At the airport, the narrator's flight is delayed for security reasons. A voice over the loudspeaker calls their name, and then blackout. 10. Dark horse story ideas, unexpected victory. 1. The last picked athlete. The narrator, picked last for a sports team, scores the winning goal in the final seconds. 2. The silent musician. A shy, overlooked student stuns everyone by winning the school's biggest talent competition with an incredible musical performance. 3. The rejected designer. The narrator's rough sketch, laughed at by classmates, ends up winning an international design competition. 4. The nervous debater. The narrator, terrified of public speaking, steps onto the debate stage and with a heartfelt speech defeats the reigning champions. 5. The tech disaster. After accidentally breaking the school's robot during a contest, the narrator repairs it creatively and wins because of its new unexpected features. 6. The invisible author. The narrator secretly submits a short story under a fake name and wins the National Writing Prize no one thought they had a chance at. 7. The quiet cook. A normally quiet, unnoticed student wins a fierce cooking contest with a secret family recipe. For 8. The lost runner. In a marathon, the narrator gets lost, only to accidentally find a shortcut and still come first, but has to wrestle with whether to confess. 9. The forgotten actor. In a school play, the narrator is cast in a tiny background role, but when the lead actor falls sick, they step up and deliver a legendary performance. 10. The accidental innovator. Assigned the boring science project, the narrator invents something small that unexpectedly impresses the judges and changes their future. 10 stories with the redemption arc. 1. A student who bullied others becomes the only one who stands up for a new victim. 2. A school dropout returns to finish their exams and inspires others. 3. A thief returns a stolen item years later, only to discover the owner doesn't want it back. 4. After lying about a teammate, a soccer player sacrifices their own win to set the record straight. 5. A gossipy student spreads a rumor, then works to fix the social damage caused. 6. A student who used to mock a disabled classmate ends up fighting for disability rights. 7. An arrogant musician loses a big competition and has to learn humility to try again. 8. A top student caught cheating must regain everyone's trust, starting from scratch. 9. A rebellious teenager secretly organizes a charity event for the school. 10. A selfish student realizes that leading a group project requires true teamwork, not domination. Betrayal by a friend. 1. The narrator is betrayed by a best friend during an election campaign at school. 2. A friend secretly reports the narrator's secret to teachers for their own good. 3. The narrator finds out their friend has been spreading lies to make themselves look better. 4. In a school competition, a trusted friend switches the narrator's presentation materials. 5. A friend deliberately invites everyone to a party, except the narrator. 6. A partner in a group project takes full credit for all the work. 7. A friend promises to cover for the narrator but lets them take the blame. 8. A teammate intentionally injures the narrator during tryouts. 9. The narrator's secret crush is revealed by their own best friend. 10. A friend lies to stop the narrator from pursuing a dream out of jealousy. Hidden identity. 1. The quietest student in class turns out to be a famous singer using a fake name. 2. A substitute teacher is secretly evaluating the school for a government report. 3. The narrator's shy lab partner is actually a coding prodigy working on a secret invention. 4. A clumsy janitor is really a retired Special Forces soldier. 5. A stray dog the narrator finds turns out to belong to a billionaire. 6. A nerdy classmate is secretly training to be a professional athlete. 7. The new girl is actually from a royal family hiding from paparazzi. 8. The school librarian is writing a best-selling fantasy series under a pen name. 9. A normal-looking bus driver is actually protecting a famous witness. 10. A stranger on the bus turns out to be an undercover detective. Race against time. 1. The narrator must find a missing dog before a family leaves town forever. 2. A student must fix a major science fair project disaster before judges arrive. 3. The narrator must deliver medicine to a grandparent stranded by a flood. 4. A bomb threat is called into school, and the narrator realizes it's a prank by a friend. 5. A team must win a sports match, but their best player is trapped in an elevator. 6. The narrator must defuse an escalating fight before the principal arrives. 7. A character has only 1 hour to find a missing passport before a school trip leaves. 8. The narrator needs to gather all their friends' signatures before midnight to save a club. 9. A teacher gives a surprise essay competition, and the narrator has only minutes to come up with something brilliant. 10. A fire alarm rings, but the narrator realizes it isn't a drill. Small action, huge consequence. 1. Picking up a lost phone leads the narrator into a criminal plot. 2. Forgetting to lock a school door causes a huge robbery. 3. Offering a stranger a lift changes the narrator's life forever. 4. Borrowing a lucky charm from a friend brings an unexpected curse. 5. Giving a speech off the cuff goes viral, for the wrong reasons. 6. Telling a small white lie snowballs into expulsion. 7. Helping a stranger in a park leads to a police investigation. 8. Leaving a backpack unattended causes a security panic. 9. Giving the wrong answer in class accidentally uncovers cheating at the highest level. 10. Swapping lunch with a friend leads to an allergy crisis. Unexpected hero. 1. A bullied kid saves everyone when a fire breaks out. 2. The most disorganized student solves a national science riddle. 3. A usually overlooked student steps up during a sports tournament. 4. A cleaner at school saves students during a flood. 5. A clumsy student beats a trained thief at their own game. 6. A quiet art student's work inspires a whole community project. 7. A student usually failing in math cracks a code that saves the day. 8. A backup player wins the final goal when the star player falls sick. 9. A bad kid rescues trapped students in an accident. 10. An unpopular school principal turns out to be the best leader in a crisis, facing a fear. 1. A student afraid of heights must climb to save a kitten. A student scared of public speaking enters a major competition. 3. A student terrified of swimming saves a drowning friend. 4. A student with stage fright ends up starring in a play after a cast dropout. 5. A fear of dogs must be overcome when trapped with a friendly stray. 6. The narrator fears confrontation, but must stand up to a corrupt coach. 7. A germophobic student must rescue a sick child during an outbreak. 8. A student with a fear of the dark gets locked in the school overnight. 9. A student terrified of failure must lead a failing team to victory. 10. The narrator faces a fear of flying when forced to take an emergency flight. How to make the story your own. All right, now you have all these story ideas, but here's the secret. You should not copy them exactly. You have to make them yours. Here's how you can do it easily with 5 simple tricks. 1. Change the setting. Instead of a school, set it in a competition, a music hall, a city street, a mountain. 2. Change the object or method. Instead of a paper cheat sheet, maybe it's a secret email, a whispered answer, a code hidden in graffiti. 3. Change the type of trouble. Instead of getting caught, maybe the character lives with guilt, frames someone else, or faces a bigger unexpected consequence. 4. Change the characters. Bring in a rival, a best friend, a suspicious teacher, or even a complete stranger. 5. Change the twist. Instead of just getting punished, maybe the cheat sheet was meant to catch someone else and you get blamed. Let's take this example, the final exam cheat. The narrator finds secret exam answers hidden under their desk, but after using them, they realize the answers were planted to catch cheaters. 1. Change the setting. Original, a school exam in a classroom. Variations, a final music competition where someone plants fake sheet music. A science fair where the narrator accidentally uses someone else's project data. A coding contest where a hidden code is given to trap cheaters. 2. Change the object or method. Original, secret answers hidden under the desk. Variations, a fake cheat sheet slipped into the narrator's bag. An answer key posted anonymously on the school website. A suspicious hint whispered by a classmate during the test. Change the type of trouble. Original, caught cheating and punished. Variations, they aren't caught immediately, but guilt eats at them until they confess. Another innocent student gets blamed instead, and the narrator must decide whether to stay silent. They pass the test, but the success feels hollow and it ruins their relationships. 4. Change the characters. Original, just the narrator and a teacher. Variations, a jealous classmate who set them up. A strict parent who finds out before the school does. A best friend who knows the narrator cheated and wrestles with whether to report them. 5. Change the twist. Original, the answers were planted to catch cheaters. Variations, the answers were real, but outdated and wrong, leading to failure. The narrator realizes too late it was a test of integrity. Those who ignored the cheats were automatically rewarded. The person who planted the answers was a rival trying to get the narrator disqualified. Ask yourself, can I change the setting? Can I change the object, method? Can I change the type of trouble? Can I add or change characters? Can I create a different twist? So now you have 100 story ideas, plus you know exactly how to turn them into your very own original story. Use these ideas to pre-write before your exam, and you'll feel confident, creative, and ready for anything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and leave a comment telling me which story idea you're most excited to write.